Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV. Boy.
What she come over here for, though, man? Every time I do one live, what do I run behind me for? What do you run come over here for? Drunko, when I run come over here for? Drunko, when I go? Drunko. Me nah, hold on. Me nah get back into this. Me don't want to hear something. Me don't want to hear one something right now. I want to hear this. I work me there. I want to hear this. I'm done. Cause me have work for do. Me not no time for idle. I me no care who want talk. The more people come, the more them try to team up on one person. Me is a one woman team and then try to, and they can't beat me. Them can't beat me. They can't talk. And everybody in America know me. Me don't want to hear this. Yeah.
Hope now we can farm against me, pick them shy cross down. Hope you can wicked, their teeth, yeah, everything in one. I remember my grandmother did surgery to keep. They are one and a one. Everybody know you are wicked. Everybody are pay 2 face pan you and a mind game pan you on the internet. Hope you are wicked and you have to go down. And yeah, and if I get my grandmother money, I may get the chance to come in America, I carry her to the feds them, I make them lock you up the 2 blood clot wicked nasty suck cocky woman. I had to lie about the camera money. After you tell me about the girl, I be gone and snooze the life. And I say, you don't know the girl. Oh, but you ever tell God, say, you must forget give your life to God, you to lie. You have a ball for that and can't do wickedness. You have a confess everything you do. Every wickedness you do, dirty so good.
And my next phone did left somewhere. Me did left, I just go get my next phone, my other phone, my Florida phone, and I this me, I Tuffy call my phone. And I listen a blood clot again, I mean not say a word. When I listen again, talk how Tuffy call my phone. 1024 it look like. 1024. 1024 and 2026. And I listen again, because I not say a word in our history.
Hope now we can farm against me, pick them shy cross down. Hope you can wicked, their teeth, yeah, everything in one. I remember my grandmother did surgery to keep. They are one and a one. Everybody know you are wicked. Everybody are pay 2 face pan you and a mind game pan you on the internet. Hope you are wicked and you have to go down. And yeah, and if I get my grandmother money, I may get the chance to come in America, I carry her to the feds them, I make them lock you up the 2 blood clot wicked nasty suck cocky woman. I had to lie.
Hold on.
After you tell me about the girl, I be gone and snooze the life. And I say, you don't know the girl. Oh, but you ever tell God, say, you must forget give your life to God, you to lie. You have a ball for that and can't do wickedness. You have a confess everything you do. Every wickedness you do, dirty so good.
Me just get them voice note, yeah. 10:24 this morning, Tuffy call me other phone. And give me them voice note. And so when she come America, she come America. Then my car come America. When she come America, she carry me go to the FBI and watch it. Me don't want to no ear. And me done talk. Me done with me done. Me not come out no internet. Anybody want to say what them answer, me done talk. Me don't gotta tell them say. Me just get this out of me. My next phone, me just go pick up my next phone. Me they left it somewhere for over 2 weeks. And me just get it. And I this me get from my phone from Tuffy. Them 2 voice note there. Alright, me gonna make on know cool.